We're in the ancient lands of Könörgenç. We have guests all the way from Japan. Konnichiwa.
こんにちは。
Can you introduce yourselves?
芦田花です。
羽鳥薫です。
Okay. Can you tell about your impressions about Turkmenistan, about Könörgenç?
なんだろう。初めて高しミナレットがとても高くてびっくりしました。
たくさんの遺跡が残されてて、すごいと思いました。
Is it your first time?
はい。
初めてです。
Do you enjoy food too?
これから食べるので楽しみにしてます。
I believe in Japan you eat a lot of fish, right? Seafood. But we more consume meat like beef and others. Do you have any difficulty in adapting the food? Or is it okay? You can just eat it.
そう
Have you tried Turkmen sushi?
not yet。今日トルクメニスタンに来て初めてここに来たのでまだ何も楽しんでないのでこれから食べます。
Okay. Have you tried Turkmen horse, Turkmen camels and all?
No, from now we are just arrived here, so from now eat lunch.
Okay, I got it.
Not yet.
So I advise you, strongly recommend to see the Turkmen horse, Turkmen traditional dresses, Turkmen camels, Turkmen traditional house. Have a lunch there. I recommend you strongly. Our warm welcome. Konnichiwa. Okay. Arigatou gozaimasu.
ありがとうございます。
Thank you very much. Arigatou gozaimasu.